Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Valin Ose again. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. So in today's video, I'm going to be apartment hunting for two of my subscribers who reached out to me to help them find an apartment here at the University of Alabama at Birmingham, UAB, because they're currently in Nigeria, but they already have admission and they're studying online. So if you're wondering how is it possible for Valin to do this, yes, I am able to help other aspiring international students to achieve their study abroad dream. So if you want to be one of such persons that will be benefiting from the services that I have to render for free at the moment, then all you have to do is to click the link in my description box and join my Telegram group, and you get the next steps as to how you can become a participant of such services. So in today's video, I'm going to be touring a studio apartment, a one-bedroom apartment, a two-bedroom apartment, various sizes, various shapes, and various price points. Okay, I hope that at the end of this tour that Emmanuel and Good News will find themselves an apartment that they love. And today I'm actually doing this apartment tour with my own leasing agency, H2 Apartments. Now, this is not a sponsored post or sponsored video or anything like that, but they have been like my leasing agency for the past 2 years, and I can say for sure that I do love their services and everything about them. So I would definitely give the best to my subscribers, and I'll definitely help them decide which is better for them. All right, so I hope you like this video, and please, if you're not subscribed to this channel already, please, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications bell on so you're the first to get notified whenever I upload my content, and do well to give us a huge thumbs up. Okay, let's dive right into today's video because I can't wait to get out there, tour this apartment, and get on my bed because it's freezing cold. It's about to rain. It's actually raining. It rained yesterday, it's raining today, and I'm so cold. I wouldn't go out like right now, but I have to do this. I have to help you people because that makes me happy. All right, so let's see what these apartments have to offer, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So bye guys.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Valin Ose again. So guys, at this point I actually went over like introducing the video all over again, so I think it was not necessary. That's why I had to make a freeze frame to explain myself. So just go back into the video to show you the beautiful one-bedroom apartment. So follow me guys. So once you come in, this is the living room area. You can see it's very spacious. It has like a whole lot of space, and if you decide to do have like a roommate, this is something that will definitely help you out with the roommates to demarcate your things and just have a very cozy environment. There's also the heater here. I think this is the heater, right?
This is the actually the wall unit for during the summertime, so it's just to help cool down a little bit more. We have central heat and central cooling as well.
Right, so they have central heat here, which is very important. Then this helps you during the summer period. And this is a window. You have some nice view out there, which is very good because you do need some nice view at some point. And then there's the fire area. So this is the fire area, guys. Ignore that you don't have light here, but you have light there, and I'll show that to you as well. So whenever you are cold, like the winter, which is now, this will be very helpful because you can light this place up and have anything you want on there and just have a cool time with your friends and yourself as well. So we're going to go over to the kitchen, the bedroom, and the other storage units in this apartment. So let's go, guys. So when you get here, this is the kitchen area, and you have this huge refrigerator here. To be honest, in my apartment I don't have something like this, so this is very huge. This is huge. This is very spacious. Like, you can have everything you want here. If you're living alone, you can, use this. If you have a roommate, this is perfect for you. So you have nothing to worry about for your food, your groceries, anything like that. It's important. And then you have the freezer area. Sorry guys. And this is also very massive, so you can put in anything you need here. Like, anything you need here can go in. You have a lot of cabinets here, which is something that I noticed the first time I went here. Like, it's very, all the storage units, you need them, guys. So this is like cabinets everywhere, for your eba and okra soup, for your ofen salad poundo. If you're African, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, but if you are a white person and you still need an apartment, this is somewhere that would help you as well. So guys, yeah, and then we have the faucet. It's big, it's spacious. You can have your items here. You wash your dishes, you spread them there to dry up, and then you have the massive stove here. This is divine. This is good. So goodness, I know you mentioned something about storage. So this might definitely be helpful to you because you need storage. And something else that I did notice here is another storage area. So you have everything you need. Everything you need. In my apartment right now, I have like so much, and I'm like, why don't I have enough cabinets? So I'm actually jealous right now. And then you have more cabinets on here, and then you have the slab, you have cabinets there, and then you have the dishwasher, right? So that's the dishwasher. You also have like other cabinets here for your other items that you want hidden, and that's that's it for the kitchen area. And then you have the light here, which is also very cool. So I kind of like it already because for me, I love space, so that's impressive. So let's move over to, this is the bathroom area, guys. So let's see the bathroom area. But guys, before I say anything, I just want you to ignore certain things that you're seeing here because they're not done with renovation. So by the time you come here, you definitely have everything you need. So if this is going to be your choice, everything will definitely be ready before you come here. Before the first week of January, this should be ready. So you have like this, your bathtub, very spacious, seriously. And then the kitchen, why am I saying kitchen? The toilet. So you can have, so it's really spacious, more spacious than mine. And then you have here, you have your mirror if you're a girl. Maybe you want your female friends to come over at some point. Even as a guy, you need to clean up sometimes, okay? So this is also very key. And then you have the cabinets going on there. So guys, let's go over to the bedroom area. Guys, this is my most favorite area. But before we do that, I saw something and I think we should check it out. You have a washer and dryer in this apartment, guys. How cool is that? How cool is that? I don't have a washer and dryer in my apartment. H2, what's happening? I need me a washer and dryer. So this is your washer and dryer in your own apartment. You don't have to go outside of your building to get your laundry done. You don't have to spend extra money to get your laundry done. Everything, all inclusive. This is one of the key things that students are dying to have. So please grab your copy now. And then you also have like some storage here for your laundry items. Don't worry, everything will be fixed before you come. If this is eventually the choice you go with, they'll be fixed, okay? So you just know that you have all of these things here to help you and your laundry. All right, so now it's time to go over to the bedroom area. And why I say this is my favorite area because it has everything that I need, at least as a graduate student. So you have closet space here. Massive, guys, massive. This is one of the closet space. And this is the other, like the door. So you can actually shut it like this. And it's actually very aesthetically pleasing. For somebody like me who loves to take photos, I'll be here, modeling and doing everything that I want. And sometimes you can actually create pranks with your friends, your roommates, should you have one, and you're good to go.
Hold on a minute. Did I actually do that? Anyway, let's move on.
So it's really very nice. This is nice. You will never find an apartment that actually has a lot of storage. So when you do find one with so much closet space, grab it. And this is another, another closet. Same thing, same pattern. You can put your clothes on here, you can hang some here, and you're good to go. And then your luggages can be on the floor, your shoes. So you can actually use there for your shoes or something. And then you have, just this section for your clothes. Or if you have a roommate, this could be yours, and that would be for your roommate. So perfect. Perfect. Now to the most beautiful Reason why this is my favorite. Let's see. Guys, there's a patio. A patio in this apartment. Guys, first of all, you know when you go to like these beautiful hotels and then you see these beautiful curtains and then you just wake up in the morning, you do this, you know, you have that as a student. And you see?
Let me help you out there.
Oh yeah. We need it, guys, sometimes.
Today is a good day today, and not tomorrow. There's no time to buy.
So this is beautiful, this is nice, this is everything. And you can see, oh my goodness, you guys need to see the view. The view is everything. I think I'm going to be visiting you guys when you come here. This is the view, this is Birmingham, this is your neighborhood, this is bougie and, you know, this is cool. This is cool. This is mind your business kind of apartment. This is focus on your studies when you want to like have some quiet time. You know, during the summer, this would be very good for like, you know, some get together and just coming out to like, you know, chill. This is the place. Oh my goodness, I know so many things I'd love to do here. I wish I had myself a patio, but it's okay. H2, you guys, I feel like I've been cheated anyway because I graduate this December. But I mean, if you Emmanuel, Goodness, or anybody else that wants an apartment, you need to use them because they've been very nice so far, and I feel that you guys would definitely enjoy your stay here. Maintenance wise, whenever there's need for any maintenance and you call them, they will be there to make sure that those things are fixed. So that's everything about the apartment here, and we're going to check out the other apartments so you can finally decide which one you want. Okay?
All right.
There's no
And now it's time to talk about the most important thing about this apartment, and that is the cost. Let's ask our realtor here to help us out. All right, over to you, Mr. Cart. So how much is the apartment?
So the units here at the Irish are going to be $825.
Okay, $825 per month. Does it cover utilities or anything?
Does not cover any utilities. It's just going to be that $825 is just for the base rent. There's a $5 pest control fee that we do per month, so that's to bring it up to about $830. But it's a good buy for the area, I think. Yeah.
Is there a need to pay a deposit fee with this one?
Yes, you do pay a deposit fee, and there's an administration fee as well. So essentially, it would be you're looking at to hold the unit would be you'd have to put $825 down beforehand.
All right, thank you. So guys, you heard it from him, and you know, I hope you eventually choose this one. But I don't know which will be my favorite right now because I haven't seen the others. So let's see.